give them an update. Everybody love a look, yeah, give them an update.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So today we got an install for you guys. And damn, I'm gonna have to fix my front splitter again. But by the title on the thumbnail, we're gonna install the Fuel It Flex Fuel Kit. So we could run any E content or whatever. Yeah, so we're gonna install the Flex Fuel Kit so we could run E on the Q. So without further ado, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you guys watch the full video, like how to install Flex Fuel Kit on the Q or whatever. So yeah guys, let's get it. Okay guys, so before y'all start, make sure y'all got the rag for the line right here, because fuel gonna be coming out. So you could just lift this off. So take this off for right now, so you could have space, and disconnect the battery. So we're gonna do that next. So we're gonna disconnect the battery, and last but not least, make sure y'all relieve the pressure from the fuel line. So y'all could like open it or whatever, but I'm gonna just leave it like right here and close this. And yeah guys, so we're gonna take this off first. Gonna maybe take off the positive or the negative, whichever one you want to take off, but I'm gonna maybe take off the positive. So I think it's gonna be a 10 millimeter. Yeah, it's a 10. So the positive is off, and maybe I'm gonna put something under it so it won't be grounding on it. But yeah guys, okay guys, so I just put a gloves right there to like, so it won't grounds. So now we're gonna take off the fuel line right here. There's a little groove right here. You just use a flathead or something and pry it off like this. And be careful guys, don't break the clip. So you're gonna take it off just like that, put it somewhere safe. So I'm gonna put it over there, then I'm gonna use the rag over the fuel line so I could take it out. But first you're gonna have to unclip it like that off the rail, then put a rag over it. I'm trying so no fuel spray up. So you go like that. So y'all just press on it and pick it up just like this. So that's how the line is gonna look. And next we're gonna have to move this harness out the way so we could get our hands like down in between there to take off the clip. So the first part is finished, the fuel to the engine. So next we're gonna go down there, and there's a heat shield beside it guys, so be careful. Okay guys, so what I did, I just move the wire harness from right here, because I'm gonna have to remove it either way to like reconnect the sensor so you could like read the content, the ethanol content. So yeah guys, so just to make it easier, remove all of this from the ECU, wiring harness, put it over there, then we're gonna get to this right here. But you guys could remove the evap hose from there, from the connector right there, so you guys could catch like for the fuel line. So yeah guys, so that's what we're gonna do right now. Okay guys, so I cut the little piece right there of the line right there for the connector. So now I'm gonna pull this piece up, this little rubber piece like, and I'm gonna slightly push the shield to the side, but don't let it touch any metal on the turbo housing or whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna use the flathead and take off the green color bracket piece off it, and I'm gonna get back to you guys. Okay guys, so y'all gonna push your hands down in there to take out this blue green cover piece off the line before y'all take it apart. So first you're gonna have to take this off, then take the line out, but don't lose this. So now you're gonna have to go down there and twist it. It's right there. I remove the harness as I said before, but here's the line. Line is right here, so you're gonna twist it and then take it off. Let me see if I could do it with one hand first. Though it's a bitch to get down there because you got no space. So I'm gonna take it off real quick and then get back to you guys. Okay guys, so it's off. I got help from a lady. So she used her small hands and just pull it off. So now I'm gonna have to take the green clip off. It's right there. I'm gonna have to take the green clip off and connect the new hose with the sensor on it. And yeah guys, so with this, to take this off, you're gonna have to squeeze the clip like right in here or down here, whichever your hands could catch, and squeeze it and then pull it up. So that's how you take it out. So this is the little green clip that was inside of this, and fits just like this. So you're gonna have to like squeeze the two side like right here to like take it off. But the new one, this doesn't need the fitting for that. You just push this down on it. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put this one first, but I already connect the sensor. You know, you could take it off. So I'm gonna put this one first, and then I'm gonna connect the sensors and connect the other side to the fuel rail right here. And yeah guys, that's how you guys do it. Okay guys, so when y'all put in back this, make sure you guys hear the click. So it's gonna go right down there, so make sure you guys hear the click and put back the harnesses in place. And this, we're gonna wire this, so positive to positive, negative to negative, as y'all know. And the spin is gonna go in the one of the connectors right there for the ECU. So yeah guys, make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe if y'all reach this further into the video, and let me know if this video helps you out guys. Just leave a comment down below. Okay guys, so I got the new line right here. So this red part is gonna go like right here, and this part is gonna go like right here. So right now I don't have no filter, but the filter is optional. If you need it, if you want to put it, that's on you if you want to put it, but you good without it. So we're gonna connect this to like this part right here to the sensor. Make sure y'all hear that click. So this is what I was talking about. Click it right there. This one goes down there, and I'm gonna use a zip tie to like hold it somewhere around there or somewhere right here, whichever way it's better. So yeah guys, so time to connect up to the battery and all of that. So when I'm finished, I'll just show you guys. Okay guys, so I wired it up. So connect it right here with this, with the ethanol analyzer. And as I said, positive to positive, negative to negative. And yeah guys, make sure y'all double check the lines and all of that. Put back everything where it should be. Put back everything where it should be. And yeah, so let's go inside and start prime the system first, and then check again, and I'll get back to you guys. Okay guys, so I'm in the car right now, so I'm turn the car on. And make sure you guys, before you turn the car on, make sure y'all prime the system 3 times. So I already primed it already, so now I'm go into the flex fuel. So it's fuel it. So go on it like that, press connect. So my current ethanol content is E31 right now. E31, so that's how y'all check it. And if y'all see the gauges right there, so for like this is just the calculator to see how much E you need and whatever you're trying to get, which content you trying to get. So that's how y'all check it guys. So make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe, and peace. I'll catch you in the next one.